Hello ASEAN seafarers, especially for Indian, Philippines, and Indonesia. We have some information for you about our vacancies, and we are currently open for ETO to join with our offshore vessels, especially for PSV vessels. And this is the area of the vessel is on the West Africa. We are available for ETO technical officers, electrotechnical officers with certificate 3/7 and with experiences 12 months as ETO. You need to have diesel electric engine experiences also, and you need to have a good English. And the salary is 210 US dollar per day with rotation 60 days on and 60 days off. If you have any requirement and you are suitable with these vacancies and this requirement, please you can apply for these vacancies in our link database or our emails. Okay, please like, subscribe, share this video to your friend. Bye bye.